This is exactly how I was able to fix GTA San Andreas mobile keeps crashing. So what I had to do is that I had to close the app, and instead I went to the settings app on my phone here. And then I scrolled down and I clicked on general, and then I clicked on storage right here. So the first thing we need to check is that you have enough storage here, as you can see. So let's say that you have full storage now completely, then it will not work the app. It's going to keep crashing. So make sure that you have at least a little bit storage left. I would say at least 5 gigabytes should be enough. And now you're just gonna swipe up, click on search, GTA San Andreas here, and then click on upload app. And once again, click on upload app right here. And then we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds for it to load, and then click on the reinstall app button here, as you can see. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times, by the way. And now just simply wait for your GTA San Andreas app here to completely update to its latest version. And when it's done, go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's not going to crash for you as well.